Hey ladies and gems, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi, and I wanted to go ahead and record these passion twists that I did on my little sister Ashley for her birthday. Happy belated birthday to Ashley. Also, happy belated to my other little sister Aaliyah. I love the both of you dearly so much. Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I did this easily. No, I'm not a professional. No, I don't do this every day. However, I did have some passion twists in myself, which I'll include a clip right now. Yeah, y'all, I was singing my girl Nikki, so if you can read lips, you know what I said. Drop down the lyric below if you can read my lips. Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and start parting her hair. She did come with her hair already washed, blow dried, and lightly pressed, so it was very easy for me to work with her hair. Her and I have the same hair texture, so it's definitely like working on my own hair. But yeah, I'm not a professional, y'all. This is just my method on how I did it, and hopefully this works for you. So I definitely am using the rubber band method, and I'm going to start off by just creating 4 parts in the back. Like, that's the easiest thing for me to do, is to start off with 4 parts. So I do like to use clips to help make sure that my parts stay in place, and I'm going to go in with this what is that? Hold on. That is my Shine and Jam Silk Edges. It is made with olive oil. It is good for natural hair. It is free of alcohol and dyes. It's enriched in silk protein, and it is extra firm hold. So that worked really well. And y'all, I look a mess. I'm so sorry, but it wasn't about me. So after I apply the rubber band, I do like to go ahead and braid the hair down as I go. It is very time consuming, but once you get all these parts parted and it's all nice and slick, okay, and you get all the braids braided, it's really like a walk in the park with the crochet part, like for real. Voila, we are getting this done. So I am gonna start going on the side. So I made 2 rows in the back, and then the 3rd row I began to go around the sides of her head. Like, it sounds crazy me saying it, but you know, y'all can see what I'm doing or whatever. Y'all got me. And I'm gonna make sure I leave her baby hair out, because she was like, sis, do my baby hair. I used to get baby hair. I was like, okay, I got you. You know, I love me some baby hairs or whatever. I'm just going to continue that method, going around to the top of her head. We're at the crown of her head right now. And yeah, like, you know, slow and steady wins the race. My lips look dry and ashy, y'all. I'm at like, oh my God. Like, I had to crop myself out because I was looking a mess. Even my lips dry. Okay, Pookie? Okay, like, what the hell? And y'all, I did this with these long nails, which I did myself. I do have a poly gel nail tutorial that was posted already. However, it got deleted, and it will be up by the time you guys are watching this video. So if you're interested in how I achieve those coffin-like, cute, color, nude-ish nails, because it's going to be linked below, and that's on Period. And this is what it looks like now that we're finished. You know, nice and clean. So we're going to go in with this expression hair from Outre. It's pre-twisted passion twists, and it is in the color 1B, and it is 30 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tie some of her plaits up and get it out the way, and I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to be using the crochet method. So I'm using my crochet needle along with the hair, and you just want to take that loop it around, lock it, pull it back through. And then you want to take that open spot and you want to collect the other side of the hair and just pull it down. Now, I never worked with this hair prior to this, so it took me a minute to like see how I could intertwine the braid inside of the passion twist. But the further that we'll go, I'll show you guys that I was pretty successful with doing it. I don't think that you should unravel it. You should kind of just try to twist it with the hair and then tuck the hair in at the end, if that makes any sense. Because it's braided, it'll blend in better. So this is what it should look like. It's not really perfect, but you know, I don't really like my passion twists until a few days after that I have them, when they start to look old. So it's just like, you know, for her, she absolutely loved them. She texted me a few days later like, oh my gosh, I love them. They're so cute. I was like, you're welcome. Happy birthday. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue crocheting them in. It really did become very easy for me towards the end. Yeah. If you guys like stuff like this on my channel, let me know. I can definitely do more natural hairstyles and so forth and so on. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And make sure you follow me on IG at Gigi the Jam. So we're at the crown of her head, and we're just going to go ahead and crochet them in. Now be mindful of how you crochet them in. If you started from the top and put the crochet needle down, your crochet passion twist will come out totally different. So you want to make sure that you're crocheting it from the bottom through the top and then pulling it down like that. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go in with some edge control. That's my one of preference, the Style Factor. And I'm just gonna lightly do her baby hair. She was like, oh, I like them. They are a little tight though, but in a couple days they'll drop. And I will add a video in that she sent me a few days later. She was like, I love them so much. This was affordable. I think she spent maybe like $30 on the hair. You can definitely buy any type of passion twist hair or crochet hair and do this yourself. It's really affordable. It's a protective hairstyle. And then I will go ahead and just apply some oil to her hair. I didn't do that for her, but I would definitely go ahead and apply some oil. But I will go ahead with some mousse and just, you know, put that on afterwards. The hair didn't require that it be dipped or anything like that because it's passion twist hair. It's already, you know, ready. And she wanted the side part, so we flipped over to the side, and put a little mousse in it. And you know, that's it. That's all. That's it. This is how long the hair is on her. It is 30 inches. She's probably like 5'3". Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, love, and light. Make sure to subscribe.